Authentic risotto with shiitake mushrooms, a harmony of creamy flavor and earthy aromas. Boil chicken broth with onions, carrots, tarragon and parsley in advance. Risotto is a timeless Italian dish that embodies comfort, elegance and rich flavor. Paired with shiitake mushrooms, it reaches new heights of culinary enjoyment. This recipe combines the velvety texture of risotto with the earthy and savory notes of shiitake mushrooms, creating a symphony of flavor that will captivate your taste buds. Ingredients for risotto: 1 medium onion, 2 garlic cloves, 1 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, salt and pepper to taste, 4 tablespoons unsalted butter, 60 grams, 2 ounces, 2 cups arborio rice, 400 grams, 14 ounces, pinch of saffron, 3 tablespoons olive oil, 45 milliliters, 1.5 fluid ounces, 1 cup dry white wine, 240 milliliters, 8 fluid ounces, 5 cups chicken stock, 1200 milliliters, 40 fluid ounces. Ingredients for shiitake mushrooms: 8 ounces shiitake mushrooms, sliced, 225 grams, 1 tablespoon each of butter and olive oil, salt to taste. Time. Instructions: prepare the shiitake mushrooms. Slice the mushrooms into slices. Fry the mushrooms in a mixture of butter and olive oil on both sides until golden brown. Season with salt to taste. Take the mushrooms out of the pan and set them aside. Prepare the risotto. Finely dice the onion. Finely chop the garlic. Grate the cheese. In a large heavy bottom skillet, heat olive oil and butter over medium heat. Sauté the onion and garlic until translucent and fragrant. Add the rice and stir well so that each grain is coated in the oil mixture. Pour in the white wine and stir until it is absorbed into the rice. Add the saffron. Stir to combine. Start adding broth 1 ladle at a time, stirring constantly each time and letting each ladle soak in before adding the next. Continue this process until the rice is creamy and cooked al dente. This usually takes about 20 minutes. If possible, ask someone to help you. At the end, salt and pepper to taste. Risotto should drip off the spoon. Sprinkle in the grated Parmesan cheese. Stir everything. Serve on a warmed plate, sprinkled with cheese. Place roasted shiitake mushrooms on the side of the risotto, sprinkled with fresh thyme. Garnish with fresh parsley to add freshness and color. Serving the roasted shiitake mushrooms separately, you can enjoy their special flavor and texture along with the creamy risotto. This adds extra flavor to the dish. Bon appétit!